Hi guys, Amanda Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today we're going to be crocheting the Easy Weekend Baby Blanket. Yes, you really can make this in a weekend. It works up super fast because it uses super bulky yarn at a size 6 and a giant hook. So super easy. This is the crunch stitch, which is half double crochet and a slip stitch. So you can see the half doubles make this nice diagonal line, and then a slip stitch is in between. And then it just has a single crochet border. So it's super easy. We'll walk you through all of the steps. We'll make this blanket together. Let's get started. Materials you'll need for this project are super bulky yarn in 2 colors. I used the Big Twist yarn from Joann. If you don't have access to this, any super bulky in the size 6, like Wool-Ease Thick and Quick from Lion Brand Yarn would be excellent. Anything like that would be good. So I use these 2 colors. I use 3 skeins of this dark gray and 2 of this peony pink. A size Q crochet hook, 15mm. This is my big blue one from Lion Brand. A yarn needle and some scissors. With your main color, so the color you have more of, so for me it was the dark gray, chain 37. I get asked all the time about this pattern if that stitch count is correct, because they're like, that just doesn't seem like enough stitches for a blanket. And I'm assuming the people that are asking that are not used to this really super bulky yarn, and I mean, of course, this giant hook here, because it ends up making a 30-inch wide blanket. So that's, especially once you put the border on it, it's just fine for that. So if you want to make it larger or smaller, it's just an odd number of stitches. So you can do however you like. This is just a typical baby blanket size, so I went with 37 stitches. I like to work into the back of my chain. So you see these bumps here, I'm going to work into the 3rd one. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch right here. So to slip stitch, you're going to yarn over after you insert and just draw through both loops. And this stitch pattern is really just an alternating half double crochet and slip stitches. So to half double crochet, you'll yarn over, insert in the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through the 3 loops on your hook. Slip stitch in the next, and repeat. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, all the way down to the very last stitch, which should be a slip stitch. Okay, so I've ended here with the slip stitch, and you can see your half double crochets have this diagonal line. That's what's going to give it the texture. So go ahead and chain 2, and this will count as a half double crochet. So we will ignore the slip stitch here. Look for the diagonal line, and then you're going to slip stitch in that space, that stitch here. And then a half double in the slip stitch in the previous row. Slip stitch in your half double. And you're just going to alternate just like we did before. All the way down to the end, and you end with a slip stitch into the turning chain. Here I am, I've completed my last half double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch in this turning chain. My turning chains tend to be a little tight, as much as I try not to do that. So you just slip stitch here, and you've got your 2nd row. So you're just going to repeat this. You're going to chain 2 and then skip that first stitch, and then just work on half double, slip. Of course, I had to chain 2 down to the half double crochet, and then you'll slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, all the way down, ending the same way we did this way. Now you're going to switch colors every 10 rows. So do 10 of the dark gray, 10 of the pink, 10 of the dark gray. Refer to the written pattern. You can find the link below, and it'll tell you how many times to change colors. And then we'll come back into the border. After you've completed the 6 color changes there, you'll be here with your contrasting color. And we're going to chain 1. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and work on the side here. You're going to work single crochet all the way around. Just working a single crochet into the side of each row. So you can easily see, so with this big yarn, the spaces here. And just work all the way down. When you get to the corner, you'll work 3 single crochet in the same corner space. So like when I get back here, I would work 3 single crochet. And you go around 1 time in the contrasting color, change to your main color, and do 4 more. So there's a total of 5 single crochet rounds for the border. Nice and easy, just working single crochet. And that will finish off your blanket.